Hey everyone, this is Tawny from Kroll's Corner, and today we are making a buffalo chicken dip and a no-bake pumpkin brownie bite recipe. Let's start off first by making that buffalo chicken dip recipe. Here's what you'll need for the buffalo chicken dip recipe. 2 cups shredded chicken, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You'll use 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot, a half teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast. And for toppings, you can use chopped green onions and gorgonzola cheese. I love this recipe so much because it's so simple to make. All you have to do is pour the ingredients in the bowl, stir, scoop into an oven-safe dish, and bake at 350 for 25 minutes. Before you put this in the oven, top with additional cheese and cover with foil. While this is baking, we can go ahead and get started on those no-bake pumpkin brownie bites. What you'll need for the no-bake pumpkin brownie bites is 18.4 ounces of brownie mix, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 tablespoon of ground flax, and 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. You'll also need an assortment of fun toppings to roll the brownie bites in. Now for the easy part. Let's grab that brownie mix and mix in the pumpkin puree, your ground flax, chocolate chips, and that pumpkin pie spice. Once you have your brownie batter all mixed, place in the fridge for 15 minutes. Then you can spray some Pam on your hands so the brownies don't stick to your palms. Roll into about 1 tablespoon size and then roll into your favorite toppings. Now let's go see what Gary's doing over in the white lot from Clawson.
Just wanted to show you guys a really cool trick of the Honda Ridgeline. All these vehicles come with an ice chest built into the bed of the truck. So if you're serving drinks, appetizers, desserts, whatever it is, it makes it really easy and convenient to serve out of the tailgate of the actual truck. Just fill this guy with ice and then you guys will be good to go. So we'll see you this upcoming Saturday.
Thanks, Gary. I have the buffalo chicken dip and the no-bake pumpkin brownie bites ready. See you at the Clawson tailgate on Saturday. Go Dogs!